Okay, so I want to share my new Klock Werks tire hugger Fender that I just installed. Plenty of videos out there on YouTube, singing the praises of this Fender. This is the stock Fender, and wasn't crazy about it. When I saw a Klock Werks Fender in person, the tire hugger series, I really fell in love with it.
All right, all right, all right.
And I knew that it would really kind of help change the look of the bike for what I was going for. You know, I ordered it through the Fairing Exchange so that they could paint it for me. And they matched the factory Billiard Red, I think, brilliantly. It's absolutely gorgeous. There she is. So I just installed it. This is the stock 19-inch wheel. You know, these Fenders are super quality, made in the USA. 14 gauge stamped steel, cut with a 5-axis laser, super easy to install. You know, the bolts are provided. They come also with the mounting blocks, and it's just a very, very clean look. And there's some talk about the sturdiness that's added to the forks, as though a fork brace is been added to your bike. I can't attest to that personally, but I can see where that might be a possibility, because the Fender is extremely rigid and robust and heavy duty. So, there's probably some merit to that. I'm very, very pleased with the Fairing Exchange, with the paint job that they did. They matched the Billiard Red really, really well. It fits my factory 19-inch wheel. It shows an awful lot better. This particular model is called the Level. It was, for my personal taste, it's my favorite style that they had. And that, that straight horizontal line matches well with some of the other straight horizontal lines on the bike. Just looks really, really nice. And you can see it's a lot more streamlined. I just think it looks so much better than the stock one. Very, very pleased with it. Clean lines, solid, easy to install, really can't lose. Very happy with it. Thank you, Klock Werks. Thank you, Fairing Exchange. And I hope you guys enjoy the video.